what's up? It's Kate Marie, and this is my very first YouTube video on this channel. And so what I'm going to be doing on this channel is makeup, nails, fashion, and much, much more. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a very fun cotton candy eye look. And I'm going to be looking a lot up at like this way because I have a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, so let's get started. So what I usually start with foundation, but I like to make my makeup look a little more natural. So I usually just start with concealer, and I'm going to be using in L'Oreal Paris Full Wear Plus Corrector concealer, and it's shade 325 Eggshell. So I'm just going to put it under my eyes, under my nose, and on my chin, and a little on my forehead. Okay, so I just finished blending in my concealer, and I love concealer because it makes your face look brighter and just makes it look natural. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX Professional Makeup Setting Powder. And I'm just going to put that all over my face to hold the concealer in. So, yeah. Okay, so I just put all my setting powder on, and I forgot to mention what brush I was using. I'm using the Stitch blush brush, but I like to use this for my setting powder because it's just so much easier. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, but it's a liquid bronzer. Sorry, my brother's in the back making faces. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my liquid bronzer, and I'm going to put that like right about here. And it's just going to make me look tanner, a little bit tanner, because of the concealer is one shade lighter than my skin tone. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished putting my bronzer on. Now it looks so much like natural, so much more natural. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Clinique, I can't pronounce this right, Cheek Pop Blush Pop 02 Peach Pop. A lot of pops in it. And now I'm going to go, and the brush I'm going to be using is a unicorn blush brush. And I'm just going to put that like up, I don't really know how to explain it, but I like to suck in my lips so I can see where to put it right. So yeah. So I really recommend this blush because it really makes my cheeks pop out and look really good. So now I'm going to move on to my highlighter. This is one of my favorite makeup products, and I'm using Essence Pure Nude Space Lighter, and it really adds a glow to my makeup look. And the brush I'm going to be using is another unicorn complexion brush, and I'm going to go a little bit higher than where I put the blush. So yeah. And so one thing I forgot to mention when I put on the highlighter is I also put a little bit on my nose and some up here in my forehead and on my chin, just to give my whole face some glow, not just my cheeks. So now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. So the two brushes I'm going to be using is the Yofi Cosmetics eyeshadow brush, and then I don't really know what this brush is from. It's a blending crease brush, so it's like a blending brush. And the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe James Charles palette. I love it. So the colors I'm going to be using are this pink, this purple, this lighter pink, and then this hot, like, sparkly color. So yeah. So I'm going to go in with the bright pink, not the light pink, and I'm going to just put it in my crease, and just with the amount I have on my brush, just try to spread it all over the eye so you don't have too much pink, but it still looks really good. So I'm going to do that with both eyes, and I'm going to get back to you. Okay, so I just went in. They're looking a little messy, but that's why we have a blending brush. So I'm going to blend the top part here, not in a U shape, but like that, a shape like that. And I'm just going to blend it so it looks really good and it kind of doesn't look sloppy. So I'm going to do that with both sides. Blended this side a little too much. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the lighter pink, And I'm just going to put that in the crease so I can make it have a little bit of an ombre effect. So I'm going to put that in the crease and come back to you guys. Okay, so I just realized that the pink, since I blended the darker pink already in, it's kind of looking like just a normal shade. So that looks pretty cool, which I like. So I'm just going to blend it a little bit more so it just looks all super even. And you can also add a purple into it just to make it have a different effect. So now I'm going to add this like glitter, I would say, and I'm going to put it in the crease. And I like to put a decent amount on it so you can actually see it. So I'm just going to put that in the crease, and then I'm going to blend it in like I did with my eye. Then I'm just going to blend it in the middle, into the middle. Okay, so now we finished with the eyes, and it's super easy look for beginners. Okay, now we're moving on to the eyelashes and the mascara. And I got these eyelashes from Ulta Beauty, and I got them for $5.99. And I'm going to be using this Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara. And I'm going to put a little bit on before I put... Okay, just so you guys know, I'm editing the video right now, and I couldn't do the eyelashes because the ones I got weren't the right fit for me. So, yeah, just so you guys know, I'm just going to do the mascara, not the eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry, my mascara dry. Lashes I bought weren't really what I was expecting. They were huge. So I'm going to go out and buy some more later. But for right now, I'm just going to finish this look and use the Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara Essence. And so I chose this one because it's supposed to, I heard, make your lashes super big and curly. So I'm going to try this one out. I've never tried this brand of mascara. I usually try to get waterproof, but we're not going swimming anytime soon. So, yeah. And I also really like to put it under my eyes because it's practically like your under eye is naked. So I'm going to put it, I just try to look up when I do it. Do my best not to get it under my eye. Okay, so I finished this. I do have some under my eye that I'm going to clean up in a minute. So now I'm going to use this eyelash curler, and you don't have to use an eyelash curler. You can just use your fingers, but I prefer to use this. And I'm just going to curl the top, and then okay. So this is how the eyes look. Now I'm gonna do my last part of this makeup look to top it all off. I'm just gonna use some LA Colors Moisturizing Lip Gloss. And yeah. So this is this makeup look, the fun cotton candy look. Hi guys, one more thing before I let you guys go. Please make sure to go check out my brother's YouTube channel, Resold, and the E is a 3, and he sells shoes and just cleans them up and sells them on different websites like eBay and all that other stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment any makeup ideas, looks, or any fun challenges you would like me to do on this channel. So yeah, bye!